We're all Leeds fans apart from this weirdo here.
Yeah. Fleetwood.
We won't even talk about his bloody team.
Premier League and you're not.
Well, we might be. Good morning. Start to another week at Airedale. An absolutely cracking weekend. They went out with the wife and his friends, just had a couple of beers in the beer gardens. Lovely. I've been busy this morning actually. It's mid-morning now. The lads were in earlier, they loaded up, they're back over at that job over near Ripon. Just spoke to them after a good start again. I'm actually going over that way myself to Leyburn. It's nearly an hour and a half, something hour and 20 odd minutes. Got an appointment at 1 o'clock, so I better get a shift on. Big school over there wants looking at, 300 odd metres and some gates. Problem is, next week we're on a job which is sort of time critical. It's at a college whilst they're off next week, yeah. So we've got to be there next week, so I might have to shuffle things about. It doesn't help Jamie's going on holiday end of this week as well, so man down and all that. So I might have to get some more labour in if we need them. But anyway, I'll cross that bridge. I'll see how they get on it next couple of days, and then we'll suss that one out.
So what's going to be happening is we're going to be tying onto this fence here. We're going to be going all the way up to the top of the banking. This bit here is the farmer's land, yeah. The bit what you've dug to is your land, yeah. So obviously explain to him, to get a straight line from where it's been dug out would be all the way out there, so it's probably going to dogleg.
Lads have had a bit of a problem on site over where they are today. One of the other partners of the site where they're working's come this morning and said, hold on a minute, we don't want it there, we want it 2 foot more over. Not the lad's fault, they've only gone where the pegs were and where they've dug it out to this land. The guy that I spoke to yesterday said, yeah, that's where it's going. Other partners come today and said, no, it's not going there. So, total waste of time yesterday and today, and they've had to take the posts out.
Managed to catch up. Just finishing these last 3 off here. Down there. And let's go back up.
We've just all been at gym this morning. Back at it after I've had a couple of weeks off from my silly ear. Still not right, but there you go. But lads are just loading up here, going back to that job over at Ripon. Luckily all fencing's on site, so just taking post mix. I'll order some more. We're getting a bit low on them. Only 3 pallets left. Chamber's been yesterday. Just picked some gates up that he's made, only stock gates like, so let's hope Baggy gets his boots on. No good there, they want to be on your feet.
Yeah, put them on there because they're caked up.
And let's hope he takes his bloody stupid thing that he's blocking out bloody yard up with. What is it?
What?
This? Where the hell did you get that from?
Kyle.
Huh? I thought you'd got it off that job or something. I thought, what the hell's that? So yeah, busy. I think we're going to take this back, but I think we're just going to keep hold of it for another week or so, because we've got that job at college coming up where we've got to put them extensions on under that tarpaulin there that we had made a while ago. They're on holiday next week, so we're going to do that one. Hopefully they've finished here. But Jamie goes on holiday, it's his last day Thursday. Judith Chalmers is going away again. Where are you going, Jamie?
To Mallorca, Matt.
Mallorca, nice. Might see my son.
Win over there,
Hey, it'll be nice. When are you going? Thursday, Friday?
Morning,
Oh, you'll be there for footy then, won't you? Yeah.
Sunday, is it?
Nice.
What are you doing?
We need Leeds to win, by the way.
Why is he coming out?
We're all Leeds fans apart from this weirdo here.
Yeah. Fleetwood.
We won't even talk about his bloody team.
Premier League and you're not.
Well, we might be.
Down Southampton are platinum.
Hey, they beat us home and away this year as well. But yeah, we're hoping for a win on Sunday. Anyway, we'll leave it there because they're nearly ready to go. Oh, hi there, yeah. Absolutely shocked. I've just got back in car here. It's a job in Headingley, which is literally, you couldn't get any more closer to where Ripper had one of his victims here in Headingley, where he chopped back at head with an hammer. I'll turn it round. Bit morbid, I know, but yeah, literally right opposite there is where he had her with hammer. My granddad used to live round corner in Hyde Park, so I know this area very well. Yeah, so it's they took over this building here to the side of me, and it don't look like there's much ground, and you walk around back and there's massive grounds. It's like a massive garden area, so they want it all fencing off with E-mesh, so it'd be a decent job actually. So yeah, I'll quote this one up as I get back later. Now I'm off to my second appointment, school in I think it was Beeston. I'll have a look in my book in a minute. I think it was Beeston. So I'll make my way over there and see if I can get some footage whilst I'm there. Absolutely shocked, could stay to me. I was sort of walking around with Brian, do it sort of landowners, land agents, but massive site here just off Sart Thornton Road, used to be what they call Old Woolcombers site. It's a massive site. They've had it years. Originally they had planning for houses, but they've decided it's not the best housing stock area here, if you know what I mean. So they're going to have a big industrial unit sort of park here. But yeah, it's all around the house. It's all overgrown now. They get machines in, and these have just grown in the last few years since it's been empty. But this was the main entrance here, so I don't know if this is going to remain the entrance or they might move it further over here, depending with the negotiations with Bradford Council. But I think they've got planning now for, I can't remember what he said, I think he said about 20 big industrial units. It's a shame it's not near us, because I'd snap his hands off for one of these. It's a bit far out of our way here. 100% on plans yet. He's going to try and find drawings and send me them, but in the meantime what I said I'll do is I'll Google Earth it, get a rough sort of estimate for him, and some different size gates, and then he's got an idea. So yeah, another big job that one if we get it. That's well, it's probably going to be 1,000 metres or something like that, I would have thought. But anyway, I shall make my way back to the office now and get on with some of these quotes. So I'll see you back there.
Jamie, no but drinking brews it morning. Baggy's well happy with him, aren't you, Baggy? Alright, let's have a quick look what's been done. Well, this first bay to do, it just needs cutting down. And we're going all the way down here. All the way up. We're going to move these materials over to the other side in a second. It's like a bog down there at the minute. The truck driver's just going to give us a lift in a second. Getting all this mixed onto the top of the hill, and we'll start bringing our gear over. So here we are. All this will be done tomorrow. We were delayed a few days, but cracking on we are. So, all done and dusted. We had a slow 2 days at the start of the job, didn't really get much done, but we still managed to finish on schedule. We're actually a man down. Jamie's on holiday once again. I bet there's about 20 videos a week of him just on holiday. But yeah, he's on holiday, so me and Baggy have cracked on this morning. We're here at 8:30. We've got it all done and dusted. We're on 1 o'clock now. It's Friday. You know how we all feel on a Friday. Hard work comes at you on a Friday because you all want to go. Well, look at that. Absolutely amazing job. We've had Nick who hired us to do the job. He's been out absolutely over the moon with what we've done. Really happy. Baggy's just grabbing the last little few bits of crap what we've had on site, and then we'll be travelling back. Yeah, it looks really nice, this job. All nice perfect straight lines, no up and down bits. It's all string lined up, all level, all looking great. Obviously the guy, this is what he's doing with Digger, he's done some work while we've been here as well. He's nearly at the end of it. I bet he can't wait either. He hasn't seen not like it. Well, this is we've actually done quite a few Palisade jobs over the last couple of well, weeks, maybe month, and they're all fairly decent sized jobs. But look at the line on that. You go into it, absolutely perfect. And that's how you like to see them, looking like that.
Yeah, lads are just they're back up. Well, Jamie's actually on holiday. In fact, he'll be on his flight now as we speak. Go to Mallorca, I think he was. He's already sent photos of him in the airport. I'm here at 7 this morning. So yeah, Baggy and Justin are back over at that job they've been on all week near Ripon. We reckon they'll get done today, so that'll be fine. I've just spoken to the guy at the college job we're doing next week, which are actually under that tarpaulin there, the extensions that Carl made ages ago. He's off next week, but the other site guys are going to be here. Just give me the numbers. There's Carl here. I won't go near him because he's got radio blaring out. He's making some steel Palisade gates, I think they are, for a job at Beckfoot Thornton. We'll just have a quick peek at what he's up to. Oh yeah, Justin went and picked some panels up for a little job we've got back at Thorpe School. If you remember Thorpe School, we did that a few weeks ago. It's a bit more now, some 3 metre panels I want out back. Like I say, I won't get too close, he's got radio on, but yeah, he's just setting his Palisade gates out. I'll get them knocked up today, and he's going to drop them in for Galv and that on way to job next week. So yeah, busy. I've just, because we've been that busy this week, here, there and everywhere, all over Yorkshire, seeing jobs and whatnot. Got loads of admin to catch up on, so I'm going to catch up on that now before the bank holiday. So I'm going to get my head down for a couple of hours, so I will see you soon. Yeah, lads have just finished on that 200 odd metres Palisade job. Justin just phoned me, what, half an hour ago to say, oh yeah, it's all done, just had a walk around with him, he's happy, blah blah blah. He said, sent invoice in, he'll get it paid. Alright, sound. So I sent it, I don't know, just in the middle of summer. 20 minutes later, I sent it. Within, I bet not even a minute, it paid me. I think that's the fastest I have ever been paid, ever, in my life. So thank you, Nick, if you're watching from Dales Water. I wish all customers were like that. Alright, I've sort of lost out a little bit because it was slightly less meterage, about 20 metres, and obviously I've already paid for fencing, but it will come in eventually, but it'll be sat in stock now. And obviously I've lost out on 20 metres meterage in labour, and there was a bit of a mess about last week, as you've probably seen, with the confusion of the fence line. So it's kind of covered a little bit of cost of that, so I've lost out a little bit, but hey, got paid straight away, move on to the next one. That's fantastic, can't believe it. So yeah, thanks again, Nick. That is, wish everyone paid us like that. I'd have no problems with my ticker ever if I got paid like that straight away. Even paid before lads have got back from job. It's unbelievable. So yeah, lads have had obviously a good week with it. You know, they've earned well on that, on the price, so everybody's happy, I suppose. Apart from me with big diesel bill, because it's about an hour and odd away, but anyway, we won't get into that one. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on and say that. Wow, helps out when you pay people straight away, and it's bank holiday, so absolute bonus. Let's hope Leeds win the promotion final on Sunday, and everything will be hunky-dory, won't it? But knowing Leeds, hey, who knows what can happen. So yeah, I'm going to call it here before lads get back. I'll get them to wash vans down ready for next week. Next week we're over at Greenhead College. I've already spoken to the guy, arranged that so we can get in. So yeah, have a good long weekend, everybody. Come on the Leeds, and we'll see you next time. Oh, and don't forget, get subscribed and give us a like, and why not comment down below. We'll see you next time. Thank you.